Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to log into your Woori Bank online. So guys, search on Google Woori Bank online and click the first result on the search, and from here you have this option guys, two options: certificate center and login. Click login. If you have a personal account, click this one, and after that guys wait to loading this page. You will take some second. After that guys, just loading, click OK and click cancel. From here OK and click login option, and you should guys, after login, before login, you should install these programs for safety, professional safety and security program necessary for your internet banking. After that, after installing this program, go to personal and log in your account for your ID and password. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and give like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon.